Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys, thank you all.
Now she can't even start the trouble. Now she even started. Before then, Rita no see video bro come and say me. I don't talk to her once, so I don't curse her. In no day. I know say she did shoot woman. And I know say she did do over Sabi. As far as say she never do and reach where I did, I have no reason to insult her. No reason to insult the idiot, that bon fool. I have no reason to do so. So, who know near me? I know they near her normally. Until we go Germany, come. I know say she get body odor. She dey smell. I not talking for video for there. I only tell DL I was like a person who near me. Before then, me and I not get anything. This Rita dey smell. I not even talking for video. I did not say it on the video. But I say okay. I know fit and say she dey smell. Me I all live and like that, but within me I know now I tell person say this woman dey smell. So we just leave it like that. We go. The next day now, so all day, me I don't even know because I was just coming back from my travel. The next thing the same video come for me now, so Rita they talk to ODN now, so he called me join now. They call him mama and papa small pikin. And yeah, and then you know, like really, have I ever talked to you before? Waiting will warrant you to call me you call your papa small pikin. Have I near you before? So I was, okay, these people normally, they know they like, if you know they cause them, so, you see all these old fools, they know they like them, they know they like them. I was okay. These people don't know say normally, I don't get respect. And they always they respect people when they respect themselves. Me, no respect for the bitch no get respect. If you only respect yourself, that's when I respect you. If you don't respect yourself, even though you be 90 years old, it boy you who yes now. I was like, they say deal too. She don't respect herself. Full at 45. And I went on here okay. I don't know say I suppose what they cost you since. Yeah, I'm more that's how I was like, she couldn't they. You talk to person when you talk to, you know they curse me inside. No, they curse ODN, you they curse me inside. Because say we be friend or we close or be waiting. Or can't they you won't curse me. You can't they curse me, they from there they curse ODN or they from there they curse person when near me. You curse me direct. That's why since now that one they do. If me wants to curse you, I know also curse you alone. I'll curse your pa, I'll curse your bastard children. I will curse your anything curseable. Iju and no Rita. Iya woto. Anything when you should go talk anything you want to talk. Who cares? Yes now, who cares? Then I can't say me and you talk some more. When I walk any worry of banner. Me and you give her some more after she do the first one. She can't you curse me. Small now they call me small picking. Small picking curse you now. So small picking cause they pain you for body. Now you feel they cause small picking. Okay. For where you for come, if you say if you cause small picking go swallow. Oh no, for where me from come, if you call small picking only more bug. It shall talk about it will give you conk. For where I from come, you call small pikin, it conk you. For where I from come, you respect yourself. Small pikin, as you said, respect your old age. Yes, that's where I come from. That's where me come from. Now ghetto. Yes. Here no DL. This one not say concern no, cause now Vasabi right from time. Cause now watch I dey watch. Oh dear, they talk to make una do una saga. What's my business? But I even talk and me I know they do saga for anybody. You talk to me, I come and can't curse you. I don't care who you are. Everybody carry a load. Everybody do saga for himself. But not the cost person they had me journal. Eti born no one no had me buy. No try and if you want your cost me direct. If you want cost that one direct. Then she will reply you if she want to. And me will reply you anytime, any day. Based on say you senior me, I like to curse you. I like it. It just my is in the blood. If not small pikin curse me, no. When I know say you senior me, I dey enjoy to the mwe bog bera. I dey like I like it. What did not concern? It they cost so dear. They say no. What did they find for my body? Why are you always adding me to people's saga? To your saga, or you won't do saga? Attention seeker. Attention seeker. What did concern me concern you? This money matter when the day grant say you don't get money for account. Did I do video about it? Did I even do video? You see me say I talk no guana gbera retani wa buana ne digwana sali we ya dan. Ne buana ye ni ana ye ho ya bie we kowe school. You didn't see me do video about it. Apart from yesterday when I say you reply me, when I say you they cost me for ODA, say you they talk to ODA. You see me say I do video talk for the 30, whether anybody get 30,000, anybody get 50,000. So you know how you can't say na my own you they find inside. You must see my own. No. Anybody when you find my own. Any idiot when you find my own inside, you must see her. I will give her to you woto. Yes, nah. If you're any right, if you're any Jew, no, if you were an amio questa in school, if you were in amio questa in school, a baby way, amio boya swab bayako, warita. Come on, we in boy, emwe, in boy, ah, you must see what it pass you. What must mean no say way. What it will make it will shock you. All those your four bastards. When you born, ya ko wait now. Waiting make you they add me for person saga. When you be say if you won't cost ODA, you never cost me joiner. Egbe o he ra o he jouer. We we. And you have me we woto. Yeah, we go fight. Not be say I go beat you. Not be say we go fight. Yeah, we black and blue. Yeah, when we live video, if I see you for ground, I will beat you black and blue. Or those your face when you don't use bleach and so they smell so. I will make sure say I use figure tape will design your face for you. Oh yeah, wasabi when no soon where the never over. How dare you? How dare you? Mama mwe, uwe jouer. We work back with Switzerland. Now you put the money for ODL. She joue. We work back with Switzerland. All you go there, all you go no dear, all you need go your account of it. You get proof. Do you have proof? Do you have proof? You they put life for my head, say now me they do what they give ODF for account. You get proof. When me prove what? Rita. No go on and baby way. The sakana na nware yibi we. When they prove ya, bring the proof. You say me they do actually they put money for all their accounts. Abi? They are looking for my attention. They are looking for my attention. Attention seeker. Who you be? Okay, based on say those people never know say you they smell. Now I make you they do like that. They never know say you they smell now. You my me way. They never see you for granted. They never see you one on one. You my even way we are oh. Odegbe. Odegbe. Your name now Odegbe. Ijo Degbe. You know as Odegbe they smell. You my even we are Degbe. They don't know as you tell they smell. They are looking for my attention. They are looking for who you. Avec quoi les. Now Odegbe attention that they find. So with all the better people for this social media, you will say now Odegbe ni jo uko. Odegbe ni jo uko. Oh, you have got attention, okay? So that means you can't smell for my nose again. As you take smell for my nose for Germany. No way they go to how we are where. Now people they look for your attention. Maybe for they smell for their nose. They are looking for their attention. Odegbe. Odegbe ni jo uko. Why can't you go and take care of your smelly body? No go beragbe jouerita. Odegbe. Ero degbe, vijo degbe. No go on gbero degbe, vijo degbe by. Your sister is ogun gbera. What it be on the Chris? Go tell that one to Odegbe. You know what is Odegbe? You know that goat when that goat when they smell, if he pass, you will not say he pass. Now it be Rita. Rita ne na Odegbe. The usual when they inside. Na she be that the usual Odegbe ni usual. Now be your name Odegbe ni usual right from now Odegbe how they call you now Odegbe they smell like the way they smell. You know, if you pass gently, you can't just pass on in peace. No, you must leave your order there. Like Odegbe, almost to see almost to say where I. Have you thought about that? Then one now where any make you wire here. Not be even in your where. Erita. Then now where we me you and you know who almost to salivi where you go. Almost on your care with baby when almost on your quest again with baby where return. Then now when we may you know feed do saga with person remove me from inside. Or am your quest again with baby when or am your quest again in call you where the school time or quest again David baby when who return. If I have ever insulted you or even thought to you know whether you they exist for this plant, for this social media, or you are not man. Imana ka egu una we me na mi you want shine. Wa am yo kwesa give baby we. Ula eban. Sarah, off your mic. Which mic you they off? Which mic you they off? Since when she they cry, when they do this, I they watch the video. Sometimes I watch, sometimes if I feel like I watch. You see me say I do video concerning the 30,000 or whether anybody get 30,000 for accounts. Because it's not my business. Me I there they find even my own 50,000, not be even 30,000 I they find. You feel me? I'm being here minding my business. Now Rita say na me. Now she won't take shine. Only women ya shine. And you say you senior me, right? You they call me first, if you call me small pikin. Now you say na me they do. You say na me be the girl when they pay ODL. We more the girl you know pay ODL. You go never count. Say na ODL be my madam, right? Okay. aga do no to gave. And now we say, well, the one where you are rich, time will call you talking. So what to work with social media now? Or what to work with social media now? You say na me they pay ODM. Since you no fit, you no get shishi for account, you no get any money. What's my fucking business? As you see, and you go through. No, you're oversabi. No, they let you they throw away. You va boana la right, but no boana gbera gbijue. Ne digwana viral, or viral, wo vali we werita, or vanyan we made den we me I go make sure say I use you to the extent next time if you do saga with person, you know go add person when you not concern and joiner. Who tear bono have everywhere. Because this is the second time you are doing it. The second time you are doing it. The second time. And I will not take it lightly with you. Smelly Odegbe like you. Odegbe Nijo Woko. They are looking for my attention. They are looking for my attention. You wouldn't be where my move. Monica, who know you before you even said it? You say nobody know you when they do live video since nobody know you. As you say nobody know you because you be Odegbe. Not be you use Monica. You said it on. I will play that video when time reach. You say you don't do video for the past 1 year. Nobody know you. Nobody green know you. Now you start to wasabi. Now you start to shoot mouth, your dirty stinking mouth for who knows when I fear you, but no, now you taste out of wasabi. Yes, now you said it with your mouth. You say now you taste out of wasabi because since they not green know you for the dead when you be, because people will be if they smell like Kijo Uko, who won't know you? Nobody. How not with wasabi? Now you start to wasabi, they shook man for waiting no concern you. They cause who not cause you, they talk to who not talk to you. Indirectly and directly. You be doing it since. You thought they do and based on say nobody green know you. You want to make people know you. I come out. Me, I won't do my thing. I won't do my thing for the social media. I say make everybody know me. Not be a nyapoto. That your smelly Odegbe Toto. Why you not open now? Because if you open now, yours now, they will know you. In a way. You do for good 1 year, you say nobody know you. For good 1 year, am I aware? For me not to insult people, now I begin they wear my bra and pants. So that may not concern me, concern people. But you, for people to know you, you can't enter Wasabi. And Wasabi, you don't hear when you can't start to find people when you not find you. Egbe Monica ya swena. Nuwe Monica na ve togwe. E Monica no ro ve togu mo so ve gbe. Cause eri oni ve we. But nuwe ve ya ye Monica ve ya swe una ke ba alagbo ya ogun mo so ve gbuwe. Yes na ogun mo so gbuwe rita. Egbu wokpa ogbe bi we bai. Egbu wokpa. Because I was just on my own, watching how the whole thing is going to be played. They watch how the whole saga they play now. Me, I wash. The one when I feel like I won't wash, now I wash. I'll watch this one, I'll watch that one because me, I not be like you, the way the ways they lie. I don't wash them. I don't know that they exist, but you know each and everything when they do for the video, but you know they wash. If I not wash you, I tell you say they cost me for the video when you right from time when we say they reply to ODA. I wash, I saw it with my eye, hear it with my ear. I mean now what him some good bera. And I will all go with bera. O bijoué, il jouait les wiwa. O matin on va s'habiller à ouais à des bijoué. O gun bijoué. Et donc avec ta ouais et régime et dia ye wumime. Hang yourself. you know you. Hey. Me I do fashion parade for you. Hey. Yeah. You can't say na me. I was just looking. I said, sit down they look. Sometimes it's good. You sit down they look cause if saga normally not concern me and anybody, it not concern me and you. I know they pull mats. Yes. Of course. It not concern me and you. I know they pull mats. I've said that before. But you see when you can't do saga person, you can't curse me. It don't see a born way. Yes. Because you dare not add me to any saga you are doing with anybody. I say me there's everybody. When I say anybody, then you. If you get saga with anybody, you face the person. If you know you can face the person, you chest and if you know you know fit chest and enters. That one not me say you can't do saga with person, you can't add me joiner. Ogun gbera. Abi wa bolai ra igbe. Edi gon sale ra where. Oh, you know fit chest ODA by yourself and you call yourself a woman. Okay, because say me and ODA will be friend. Now make it they add me join anytime we say you take the cousin. Almost or you go me buy. Eri me have ya your when since we were a big meggy when I wear. Because I said the truth that you are smelling. Rita, yari bayela lagwe. Take me to court. They will do your body test for you. For that one, go bring me anywhere for palace. Rita, I go put my hand swear. Rita Odegbe. You are Odegbe. Odegbe ni jo wo. Oh. Right from today you are Odegbe. They think you change the way to Odegbe by some mind. Cause say Rani. You are boke I mean ne say Raou. Ogwana gbera. Ero Degbe. Oya we ya hi wo nena. Ugi wia. Era ya we ya hi wo. Now you are stinking, you are smelling everywhere, swelling the good aroma. I make any wage vekenuje Odegbe. Odegbe, why are you like this? Oh, we never go and I way. Oh, we a tafia over Sabi no bue. Over Sabi no ze una bienne forefather. He say, make me go bon. Rita, Odegbe. Sorry to say, your name now Odegbe. Odegbe. Me, I can never born like you. That one be rest assured. Born for forefather like you. Oh man, why? You sabi. Who is a sabi. Over sabi is a logo way. Una bien a forefather. Forefathers. Different bloods. The house is full with different blood. And all the blood they smell. You born for forefather. No, all the old live video presenter and the women for inside. No one don't born for forefather like you. No one pay for two madam like you, Odegbe. Odegbe. No one. No one work they do actually give Oyibo like you Odegbe. Nobody. Another person not do one. Which other presenter you say don't know? You know they now only you. Now only you. Now only you. Odegbe. Hey, oh boy, hey, God. Anytime, anytime they open your fire, anytime they open your fire, Odegbe, I will to use you every time. We know now where, and we may go and I way. Oh Jesus, attention seeker. You they look for my attention. Yes, you are looking for my attention. That's why you always insult me on your video when I've never insulted you first. You are looking for my attention, and that attention I will give you, but now with cost. Yes, now I will give you the attention, but with cost, with a bob who ravijue the bow who any normal money, and then my attention they come with cost. I like insulting my elders. People will be say they senior me when you not respect themselves. Yes, don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. You can't just see me insulting anybody who want insult my no, no, that one no. That's why I say my mommy, daddy, he get limit. Sister, sister, hey, lamogun, he get limits. Say, I call you sister, I call you mommy, I call you daddy. Then you won't call you that one. He mwe bog bera, he wa mwe bog bohun. Ou that same month when I take, when me take call you daddy, mommy, anyway, I mwe bog boy behind you who so tall. With that, I know they look back. Because this life, respect is a reciprocal. If you don't be insulting children, you feed their children. You insult the finish, you say, make the children not insult you. Where me from come, it's not like that. If you respect yourself, children will respect you normal, on a normal ground. How are you know why he me I no be bini like that. All this bini this itself. Na no bave there, be you know. How have you no? Oh, there when you cross boundary, bona gbe you home. Hey, see my sister here. You are doing Udu Ploplo. I see you there. Vera TV program. You are welcome, my darling sister. Bona gbe you home vie. Igbe you home. Because you can't be every time. I not talk to you. You they talk to me. Now me be ODL. I wish I ever do video just now. When this whole thing they go on, when this 30 or not 30 they go on, you know what even pay me. I not even do video even concern me. I just they look. Because sometimes you got to look. Sometimes you got to watch the saga. ODL getting mad to talk, you know, concern me. It's not my business. Oh my concern me, because sometimes you got to look. I was just looking. Now so I said they look out before you know. He said me they pay. Now me they do what they give you, Brita. Not until you give me that proof, eh? Oh, go so salivi where you da. Say now me, because me can't. You know the boy agbashewo. You can't in yari goji. You know ODA na. Cause you say a hen now. What you use on me say. Now ODA be my madam, right? Oh yeah, because you say ODA na human trafficking. Igi mo the girl, Abi, Rita. Not until you give me that proof. Oh, go and salive you, eh? Or salive, because waiting make you even utter that word, eh? Rita, you will regret it. Mark this date. What I regret it. If not Yahweh, your children, those your foreign best side, they go regret them from my hand. Yes, go and mark it. And anybody when you won't talk any, I will put their children in journal. I will not go for you. I will put anybody when I hear say talk any, I put. No one go go. Cause the time when they call me, say me they pay. Now me they put money for all their accounts. Who want you buana na wa bebagun. Waiting make it out that one, eh? Your in best side children. Now was so five with me. Be saying not be saying I shoot them mama fly. Because if you not come everywhere, what time man, you will tell me Rita Odegbe Rita no degbe ni jo ho wa time old cargo ashie wo. For this social media, yes, I put a topic there. The men and the women for this social media, who ye pass, I mean, who useless pass, who are the most useless being. For me, not the men, no, but some of the women join. Leave your comment. Even if say now me, no problem. You all leave your comment. The women when they join, now women, girls like Odegbe, with some of the old cargo. They don't old. They are old. Old okbo. Koseni ze wokbo. 30 years for Europe. You know, the thing don't even enter their brain. To the extent, that's why I know they fear to insult any of those old cargo once they cross my line. Because none of them respect themselves. They don't deserve anything respect. Rita say they do okpo for zone until they pick it. Now what make me call reply and I be this? And what make me even they do the what make me even do that video yesterday? Didn't make they do and he say yes so. And she go bring the proof come out. She go bring the proof. Cause not be just to talk and finish you enter us. Almost me no lele. Egbe me na tani. Something they follow and they go. Who are most of me no lele here? Yes. Oh, you just say you feel your talk that you enter us. All those your best I should they go enter us. Eh? Right? Then you come here there. Eh? It's like when I oh, is that what you think? Is that what you think? Hey, yeah. Oh, that was a mistake on your part. That was not good. If you want to do saga with person, do saga. And mind what you said. Because and it done or you be done give. He said, my husband. And I say, I know. When you marry, Odegbe, there's another marry. Odegbe, when you do marriage. Has anybody ever even seen your useless father? Responsible boy. Nobody but the useless sister when you take turn to slave for where you did. Now that one they do actually what they pay you. Now it make you know say I they pay all there. Because you they use your sister. Now that's what you're doing. Because now what the person they do, now they say person they do. Please, my sister, start applying makeup again. You look more with it. Yeah? Oh. Hey, yeah. If I never reach me, I'm not going to apply makeup. No. My face will be like this. I like it. No, I will not apply for now. When I apply, you will see now. For now, no. If you don't like my face like this, come back when I make up. I know your face short. It's time for everything. For makeup, to make una leave me. For this makeup, I don't want to be. Leave me now. Please. I like my face like this. If I don't like my face like I will not bring. I like it like this. I'm so free. I am so. You know when you're just okay. Left for me, say me I not go even make up again. I'll bring on like this, yeah. Your bar finish, you know. I'm okay. If I make a finish, if I won't kiss or I won't do like this, you can't stain. You know when, even on live video, even when I was the Spain, I was the day careful, make you know, you go the rough like this. I can excuse my face. I can do it like this. Nothing they happen because nothing they. You know when you make up, you can't day careful. You know, for now I can. I know if they do all those. No, for now, no. Please. Manage on like this. And I'm just okay. It left for me. I'm not going to even make up again. I swear. I'm not going to even make up again because sometimes, okay, your makeup, your change the look. If it left for me, I'm not the makeup again. Now this face, this go face, I will they break constantly. You are more, you are more, your poo. I will they breathe my go face any. Oh, they break them many times. My brother will not marry you. Your brother not get money, so no need. Your brother not go even fit buy my makeup. He not go fit even buy head there on a Marco, very expensive. You not make up again, no go make you not even marry. Your brother not get money. They get money. If you get money, you not go even. I look good with makeup and without makeup. For me, that's for me. That's why they feel they come at anyhow. With makeup, without makeup. You feel that? Let's go back to Odegbe. Because Odegbe must hear and hot for my hand. Odegbe must know when we brought. Yeah, no, nah. Ijo uho. Oh no. Okay. The non-Benin people will not understand.
Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you guys on my next video. Stay blessed, stay cool. Love you guys, and bye-bye.